How to start a non-profit organization with no money. This video is designed to help you plan and start a non-profit organization. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Yes, it is possible to make a positive impact on your community and beyond, even if you don't have substantial financial resources. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Define your mission. The first and most crucial step in starting a non-profit organization is to define your mission. What cause or issue do you care deeply about? Identifying a specific problem you want to address will help you focus your efforts and attract like-minded individuals who share your passion. Take some time to research existing organizations in your area to ensure that your mission complements their work rather than duplicating it. Step 2. Develop a clear vision. Once you have a mission in mind, it's time to develop a clear vision for your nonprofit. Ask yourself, what positive change do I want to create, and how will I achieve it? Consider the goals you want to accomplish and the strategies you'll employ to reach them. Having a well-defined vision will not only guide your organization but also make it easier to communicate your mission to others. Step 3. Build a dedicated team. Starting a non-profit organization on your own can be challenging, especially without money. That's why it's crucial to build a dedicated team of passionate individuals who believe in your cause. Reach out to friends, family, and community members who might be interested in getting involved. Look for volunteers who can contribute their time, skills, and expertise to help you bring your vision to life. Step 4. Conduct extensive research. Before moving forward, conduct extensive research to gather information about the legal and regulatory requirements for nonprofits in your country or state. Familiarize yourself with the necessary paperwork, licenses, and certifications you'll need to operate legally. This research will also help you understand the fundraising and grant opportunities available to nonprofit organizations in your area. Step 5. Formulate a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan is essential for any nonprofit organization, regardless of its financial resources. Outline your organization's goals, strategies, target audience, and budgeting strategies. While you may not have funds at the beginning, having a clear plan will help you navigate potential obstacles and attract potential donors and sponsors in the future. Step 6. Leverage your network. Even without money, you can still leverage your personal and professional networks to gain support for your cause. Reach out to friends, family, colleagues, and local businesses who may be willing to donate their services, expertise, or resources to help you get started. Networking can be a powerful tool in acquiring necessary supplies, finding volunteers, or even securing free office space. Step 7. Seek in-kind donations. In-kind donations can be a valuable resource for a non-profit organization with limited funds. Approach local businesses or individuals who may be willing to provide goods or services that align with your mission. This could include office supplies, event venues, graphic design services, or even pro bono legal assistance. Be sure to highlight the mutual benefits of collaboration to encourage potential donors to contribute. Step 8. Tap into volunteer support. Volunteers are the lifeblood of many nonprofit organizations, and they can be an incredible asset for your organization too. Tap into the power of volunteers by recruiting individuals who believe in your mission and are willing to dedicate their time and skills to support your cause. Leverage volunteer management platforms and social media to connect with potential volunteers and foster a sense of community around your organization. Step 9. Embrace digital marketing. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for any organization, regardless of its budget. Embrace digital marketing strategies to promote your nonprofit's mission and activities. Utilize social media platforms, create engaging content, and leverage email marketing to connect with your audience and raise awareness about your cause. Step 10. Start fundraising campaigns. Finally, it's time to start fundraising campaigns to secure financial support for your nonprofit. While you may not have funds initially, don't let that discourage you. Organize events, run online crowdfunding campaigns, and reach out to potential donors and sponsors who align with your mission. Remember to clearly communicate the impact their contributions will have, and be transparent about how the funds will be used. Conclusion. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to start a nonprofit organization with no money. While it may seem challenging at first, remember that passion, dedication, and a strong community can make a significant difference. Starting small and building momentum over time is a proven approach to success. So, go out there, make a difference, and turn your vision into a reality. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.